That's why me not going at them the thing there. Cockroach, no business in a full fight. You hear me? Chicken Mary hot than here. You not finish your food yet? Me the thing say you did hungry. Not when puss belly full rat batty bitter. Miracle. Duppy know who fi frighten. Oh, Duppy know who fi frighten. Listen, you're sorry for Maga dog. Maga dog will turn around bite you. Every dog have him dear and every puss in 4 o'clock. Oh, I'm a carry answer. Hey, well, sweet nanny go to go running belly. Every mickle make a muckle. You hear me I say? Yeah, every mickle make a muckle. As my mother used to always say, if you want half a bread, beg somebody bite. If you want whole of one, bite yourself. Mama used to always say, see and blind, hear and deaf. Every hoe have him tick a bush. No worry about it. Every hoe have him tick a bush. Oh, want it, can't get it. And get it, no want it. You hear me say? Who you gonna think you're gonna live with? Who you think you're gonna live with? Share? See me and live with me. Are two different things. Fire there must tell him think a cool breeze. We're not gonna live together. Well, Mama used to always say, see me and live with me are two different things. Watch.